Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Haley, and today I'm going to be switching it up with a different type of video. I figured that I've been here on YouTube for a while now, making videos, so I thought it was time to let you guys get to know me a little bit. I did find this tag online. It's called like, the best questions ever. And there's like 25 of them, so I figured I would just go through and answer those for you in hopes that you might get to know me a little bit better. Yeah, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave today. It's just a little subscribe button right here. Go ahead and click it right now. I'm waiting. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the first question is, name a favorite of each: food, drink, and color. Oh my gosh, I would have to say my favorite food, no doubt about it, under the sun, is tacos. Any kind of taco will do. I like corn tortillas, get a little lime in there, queso. Favorite drink, alcoholic would be a margarita. Non would be an iced white chocolate mocha from Starbucks with non-fat milk and no whipped cream. That's my go-to. And favorite color would be, this is so boring, but literally taupe. That's like my favorite color. Taupe, gray, black, white, love it all. Number 2, if you married rich and your spouse gave you $100,000 a week, what would you do? What would you spend the money on? I feel like that amount of money is unnecessary. I say that because I'm freaking poor. If I had that kind of money, obviously I wouldn't think that, but I would probably spend it obviously on makeup, clothes. I would also give some to my family because I feel like that's a tremendously like overwhelming amount of money. So I would definitely help out my family, help out my friends. I would just give a little chunk to everyone until we all made it, you know. Name a favorite of each: a book, a movie, and a TV show. Oh my gosh, I have so many favorite TV shows and books and movies, so this is gonna be hard, but if I had to pick one book, it would be Pride and Prejudice. My tattoo is from Pride and Prejudice. I don't know if you can see that. It says, "She would certainly be a fearsome thing to behold." That's always been one of my favorite books. I read it like 100 times in high school. Definitely number 1 favorite. Favorite movie. This is gonna be like dumb because I just saw this movie last week, but The Greatest Showman is the best movie I've ever seen. Like, it's different from anything I've ever seen. It's so unique, so good. It's not that big of a musical. It has some songs in there, but I feel like it's a movie for everyone. You should go see it. And favorite show, be The Office, Gossip Girl, or New Girl, hands down. Gotta narrow it down to those 3. If you were given the opportunity to spend 48 hours with absolutely anyone, living or dead, who would you spend it with and what would you do? Living or dead, this is going to be like, people are going to be like, what are you talking about? But I would spend the day with Reba McEntire. I love her so much. I have loved her literally since I was little. I loved her show. Her show will be on my top favorite shows too. I just can't find it anywhere anymore. But yes, I love Reba. She's hilarious. She's feisty. She can sing. She can act. She's the whole package. Literally, when I got my wisdom teeth out, there's a video of me somewhere crying my eyes out, telling my mom to get me Reba, and that Reba was my grandma, and that I like needed her. I swear to God, I'm not making that up. I did that. Name a least favorite of each: food, drink, color. My least favorite color is like Barney purple. I just don't like purple. I like lavender. That's fine, but just like a regular purple I do not like. My least favorite drink is freaking LaCroix sparkling water. Disgusting. I don't know how people drink that. It's freaking sick. And then least favorite food, I literally will eat anything, so that's a tough one for me, but I'm weird about textures. So if something has a weird texture, I won't eat it. Like beans. I guess baked beans would be my least favorite food. What do you spend most of your money on? Bills. Kidding. But yeah. I spend most of my money on, obviously, like, things to be alive, but, like, other than that, makeup and clothes and stuff for Sadie. What kind of underwear do you prefer wearing? Oh my God, that's so personal. What would you consider to be the biggest insult to yourself? Like, what that people would say to me, or, like, that I would say about myself? I'm gonna go with, like, what people would say to me and say that the biggest insult is when people ask me if I got a haircut. No, I didn't get a haircut. I haven't gotten a haircut in like 5 years, okay? Get off my back. It's just breakage. What are 5 things that you would absolutely have to have in your dream house? In my dream house, I would have to have a walk-in closet, like a walk-in closet, like huge, like whole room. I'd have to have a makeup room. I would have to have like one of those rainwater, waterfall, whatever they're called, shower heads. Those are cool. The ones that just go shh. Those are cool. I would have to have, how many is that? 3. I would have to have a nice big kitchen, like with white cabinets, I think. I'm feeling that. Like a big farmhouse sink. And then number 5, I would want a pool. And a pool boy. If you could reincarnate as an animal, which would you choose and why? I would choose a dolphin because they are beautiful, they can swim in the ocean, and they're just really cool. They can like jump in the air and do all kinds of stuff. It's the closest thing to a mermaid, I feel. How many concerts have you attended and which was your favorite and least favorite? Oh gosh, I have to think about this for a minute. I think I've been to 13 or 14 concerts. My favorite would have to be, I went with one of my best friends, Lexi, to Nashville. We saw literally so many people. We saw Thomas Rhett, Luke Bryan, Randy Houser, Florida Georgia Line. We saw like a bunch of people. It was amazing. The only thing is it was like 100 degrees outside and we were sweating. It was like 6 hours long, but it was like one of the best days of my life. I will always cherish that trip. And my least favorite concert was Jason Aldean, my senior year of high school. I also went with Lexi, and Jason Aldean, he literally performed for like 30 minutes because he was so hammered and he could not remember any of the words to his song. So I don't know if you've ever been to the Indy 500, but it is a miserable place. You can't move, like elbows out, like to walk anywhere. It was hot and we went all that way to see him for 30 minutes. So thanks, Jason. I still love you though, don't worry. Just don't ever do that to me again, okay? Who do you ship? What? What does that mean? Obviously I didn't read this before. What celebrity do you idolize most? I don't really feel like I idolize a celebrity, but I do like Lauren Conrad. I loved her ever since The Hills. I think she's classy. I think she handles herself well in dramatic situations. And I like that her career like revolves around charity work while she still like does what she loves. So I think she's really cool and an awesome role model for people to look up to. What is my favorite day of the week? My favorite day of the week is probably Sunday. Just because it's a day that I feel like I can really relax and just do nothing. My favorite subject in school was always English. My least favorite was always math. Hated math. Cannot do math. Nope, not for me. When do you like to get up in the morning? I like to get up early when I am not exhausted, but it usually doesn't happen. I think my ideal time would probably be around 8 or 9 that I'd like to get up. Then when do I like to go to bed? Early. Like 9 o'clock, 9, 10 is my ideal time. Does it always happen? No, it does not. But that's when I would like to go to bed. What is my favorite breakfast food? I don't really love breakfast. I haven't really gotten into eating breakfast until recently. I like never ate breakfast in high school. Rarely, like at the beginning of college, would I eat breakfast. But now I kind of enjoy eating breakfast. And my favorite thing to have is a piece of avocado toast with a poached egg on top. Yes, I know how to poach an egg. Thank you very much. No big deal. And what is my favorite holiday? Christmas, duh. Hello. Favorite song? Oh God. I have no idea. Right now, as of today, at this hour, it is Life Changes by Thomas Rhett. It is the most adorable song I've ever heard. Go listen to it. And my favorite way to travel? I don't really like going on planes. I've only gone on a plane like 3 times my whole life, so not by plane because I kind of get anxiety and stressed out about it. I would say probably a road trip. How many times have you moved? I have moved every 2 years of my life, and I am 21, so 21 divided by 2. I've moved 10 times in my life, which is a lot. I didn't switch schools every time I moved, but I have moved a lot of times. What is your favorite restaurant? I'm literally ashamed to say this, but it's McDonald's. I love McDonald's. I used to eat it every single day. I don't anymore because I cannot get away with it anymore, but your girl used to eat McDonald's every single day. If you were a Disney character, who would you be? Ariel or Tinkerbell? Ariel because she's a mermaid, duh. And Tinkerbell because she's little and sassy. Super salad, soup. I don't really like salad that much. Indoors or outdoors? If it's warm and sunny, outdoors. If it's winter or there's any kind of snow on the ground, indoors, 100%. If you were stranded on a desert island, what is one beauty item that you would want to have? Girl, bronzer. You know this. Give me Sun by MAC bronzer. Absolutely. What is your dream vacation? My dream vacation would be, right at the moment, I'd really want to go to Cuba. I think the culture there is so cool, so colorful. I really like to go to Cuba, but number 2 would have to be Santorini, Greece. I've wanted to go there for a really long time. So those are my top 2 right now. My favorite dessert is key lime pie or cheesecake, 100%. Plus if it's a key lime cheesecake. Those are really good. What did you want to be when you grew up as a kid? I wanted to be a checker outer girl. Literally what I would call cashiers, and I dead set wanted to be a cashier when I grew up. Not kidding. I'm not kidding. Which Friends character do you relate to the most? I would probably say Rachel. Yeah, Rachel. How tall are you? I am 5'9", so I'm pretty tall. How tall were you when you were 10? I don't know. I think I was like 5'4" in 5th grade. Is that when you're 10? Let's say that. My favorite social media site, if Pinterest counts, it's 100% Pinterest. And if it doesn't count, then Instagram is my favorite. Do you have any piercings? I have my belly button pierced, and I actually had my nose pierced for like 5 years. But I took it out like a couple years ago because I didn't like how my foundation got like kicked into it. I like took it out when I started getting really into makeup, which is kind of funny. I got my nose pierced in 8th grade, which is so young and so stupid, but whatever. My cousin Carrie was like, you're gonna like look so crazy whenever you want to take it out, you're gonna have a scar. And I was like, oh my god, no, I'm not gonna have a scar. And I do have a scar, so it's fine. It doesn't really bother me, so whatever. Would you rather go to the beach or to the pool? I would rather go to the beach, but I'd want to have access to a pool like in my hotel just in case I didn't really feel like getting sand all up in me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I would choose ideally. Have you ever been suspended? I've not been suspended technically out of school, but in high school I was in school suspension for like a week because of my absences. So yeah, that's fine. I wasn't like a bad kid, I just didn't like to go to school. Okay. Alright guys, I think you have heard me ramble enough about myself. Hopefully you feel like you know me a little bit better, and let me know if you enjoy this type of video. I know I don't do it very often, but let me know if you like more like low-key, get-to-know me type of videos. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!